All right, so we are switching out the motors today. We've got all of our wires disconnected from the old Procraft. And you can see behind me, the side chick is going to get a new motor, so this will be a lot of fun.
Back in that boat, up to the motor. Here we go. Well, that did not sound good, did it?
What was that?
Let's straighten up.
I got our bolts off. Got our jack plate already connected to our motor, ready to go. Let's get it put on. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up the battery to this, and watch the here. See how we're adjusting this? Move all our cords out of the way, and this, our cables, and we can adjust this down. Line it up. What you doing, buddy?
Tighten this thing on.